Hi, welcome to Snaptrude. Once you've logged in with your credentials, go ahead and create a project. On the top, we have our toolbar. On the right side in the corner, we have our help chat where you can ask us any of your queries. And this is our sidebar which lists out the features and libraries of Snaptrude. On the top left corner, we have options to save as, export, and to go back to your profile. Let's begin by setting the units in the Project Properties tab. You can also change other drawing and construction properties in this tab. Let's start with the Draw tool. You can type in the length of the line. As you can see, tracking guides help you snap to the midpoint as well as vertices. Follow the same steps and do this for all the rooms. If your rooms are identical, use the copy tool, select a room and drag it to wherever required. To change the position of the room, use the move tool and select a vertex or an edge. However, if you double click on an edge, you can edit the shape and size of the room. You can use the edit length tool to edit room sizes as well by selecting an edge and typing in the required distance. Use the mouse scroll to zoom in and out and press Ctrl and the scroll button to pan around. Let's go into the 3D view and press the scroll button to orbit around the model. To label the rooms, double-click and type in the name. It will auto-suggest names. As you can see, the labels assign functionality to the spaces as well. Now, go to the Stories tab and select all on Story 1. Use the Control and left mouse button to deselect certain masses. In the Copy Selection Up tab, type in the number of stories you want to create. And lastly, select the Create Building option to convert this mass into building components. You can go back into the 2D view by either clicking on the plan view or on the story you want. Click on Auto Interiors to add in furniture. There you go. These steps will help you kickstart your design journey on Snaptrude.